Hey everyone, welcome to NexaFixTech. Is the downloader app not working on your FireStick? Maybe it's stuck on a blank screen, won't download files, or simply refuses to open. I'll show you some of the best downloader alternatives that can help you install APKs when the official app fails. Let's get started. 1. Silk Browser. The first and most reliable alternative is the Silk Browser. It's already available on the Amazon App Store, so there's no need to sideload it. Simply open the browser, visit the APK website you trust, and download the file directly. Once the download finishes, you can install the APK just like you would with Downloader. If Downloader is temporarily broken, Silk Browser is usually the quickest backup option. 2. Apps to Fire. If you have an Android phone, Apps to Fire is another great option. It lets you send APK files from your phone directly to your FireStick over the same Wi-Fi network. Just download the APK on your phone, connect Apps to Fire to your FireStick, and transfer the file in a few taps. This is especially useful if browsing on a TV feels inconvenient. 3. Send files to TV. Another excellent choice is Send Files to TV. Install the app on both your phone and FireStick, make sure they're connected to the same Wi-Fi, and transfer APK files wirelessly. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require cloud storage or cables. 4. Easy Fire Tools. For Android users, Easy Fire Tools offers even more control. Besides installing APKs, it can also manage apps, uninstall packages, and perform other maintenance tasks on your FireStick. If you frequently sideload apps, it's a handy tool to have. 5. ADB installation from a computer. If none of the previous methods work, you can install APKs using ADB from a Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. It takes a few extra steps, but it's one of the most reliable methods because it doesn't depend on the downloader app at all. Before you install any APK, no matter which method you choose, always download APKs from trusted and reputable sources. Avoid random websites that may host modified or unsafe files, and keep your FireStick updated to reduce compatibility issues. Conclusion: while the downloader app is the easiest way to sideload apps, it's definitely not your only option. Silk Browser, Apps to Fire, Send Files to TV, Easy Fire Tools, and ADB installation are all reliable alternatives that can keep you going when Downloader isn't working. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the NexaFixTech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.